हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मेरिडियन ओवरसीज। अगर आप टॉप काउंसलर से कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, लाइव अपनी काउंसलिंग चाहते हैं, तो आप डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं। अपने किसी भी काउंसलर के साथ आप डायरेक्टली एप्लीकेशन करवा सकते हैं, वीज़ा फाइल सबमिशन करवा सकते हैं। तो वेबसाइट विजिट करें और अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करें ताकि आपकी सारी प्रोसेस स्मूथ रहे।
Hey guys, welcome to USA and Canada immigration updates. Please subscribe to our channel for more latest and useful videos. Select international students intending to arrive in the U.S. for studies this year will be eligible for interview waivers, according to the State Department. Individuals applying for F, M and academic J visas, including students, professors, research scholars, short-term scholars, or specialists, may have visa interview requirements waived by consular officers. Consulates may grant waivers to applicants who were previously issued any type of visa, or never refused a visa, unless such refusal was overcome or waived, and have no apparent or potential ineligibility, the statement from the department detailed. Additionally, first-time U.S. visa applicants must be citizens or nationals of the 39 countries that participate in the visa waiver program to be eligible, it added. Applicants from non-VWP countries whose prior visa was issued when they were less than 14 years of age may need to submit biometric fingerprints, but can still be approved for an interview waiver, it explained. Countries taking part in the VWP include EU member states, apart from Bulgaria, Cyprus, and Croatia, in addition to Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Singapore, Taiwan and the UK, among others. Many big sending markets are not included. Consular officers have been authorized by Secretary of State Antony Blinken, in consultation with the Department of Homeland Security, to have the option to offer interview waivers until the end of 2021. Stakeholders have previously called for the U.S. to maximize alternatives to in-person visa interviews, among other recommendations, as students face major visa delays. Applicants are urged to check their relevant U.S. Embassy or consulate website to confirm the level of services currently offered and to find guidelines for applying for a visa without an interview. According to government, each consular section is continuously reviewing its capacity to adjudicate visa applications during the worldwide pandemic. International students are now and always have been among the Department of State's highest priorities, the State Department said. The department recognizes the important contributions these students make to our college and university campuses, the positive impact they have on U.S. communities, and the rich benefits of academic cooperation in increasing cultural understanding, furthering research, knowledge, and supporting U.S. diplomacy. The department is committed to supporting the U.S. academic community, while administering U.S. law. The department also recognizes this is a critical period of time for students seeking to begin their studies at academic institutions across the U.S. The U.S. has previously made F, M, and academic J visa applicants eligible for national interest exceptions, meaning they can still arrive in the U.S. despite a presidential proclamation suspending entry from 33 countries subject to COVID-19 travel restrictions. F1 or M1 visa applicants will automatically be considered for an NIE to travel. Colleges and universities, alongside higher education associations, have been calling on the administration and on Congress to streamline processes for awarding student visas, Lynn Pasquarella, president of the Association of American Colleges and Universities, told the PI News. The dramatic decline in international students due to COVID-19 and policies implemented under the previous presidential administration have taken a toll, and this move is a step in the right direction, she said. Thanks for watching this video. For any further information, kindly contact us on the email mentioned on the screen. Thank you.